A very good afternoon, friends. My today's lecture topic is global warming. So, in this lecture, I will be talking about what are the causes, consequences, and what are the way forward to deal with global warming. So, friends, global warming refers to the climate change that cause rise in the average Earth temperature. We know that our Earth is warming constantly. Uh, the biggest reason for the global warming is the human activities. And what kind of human activities I am talking about? The activities like excessive uses of fossil fuels like the coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Then we have cutting down of trees, that is the deforestation. Then we have industrialization, we can say mining of minerals, and many more. Now, the excessive uses of fossil fuels release excessive amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, like the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, and these gases traps excessive amount of heat into the atmosphere and prevent it to release from the earth's surface, which causes the rise in the earth temperature. And the excessive uses of fossil fuels means we are releasing excessive amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The another reason is, we can say, the volcanic eruptions, and then release of methane gas, which we know these are 20 times more effective in trapping heat than carbon dioxide, and many more. Now, talking about the consequences, that it has a very deep consequences on the health of the atmosphere. The polar ice caps and glaciers are melting, and as a result we know that the level of ocean are rising, which is seriously a threat for the countries lying in the coastal areas. Then we have the natural disasters like flood, drought, we have a storm, and we can say that forest fires and many more. Then apart from that, we are seeing the coral bleaching, and acidifying of water is really a threat for the aquatic animals, and many more. Now, friends, talking about the solution, the most and foremost important thing what we have to do is we need to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. And how we can do that? We can do that by reducing the uses of fossil fuels. We have to adapt the another sources of energy like the wind energy, solar energy, bioenergy, and hydro energy. We have to plant more and more trees, that is the afforestation. We know that trees are the natural air purifier. Other than that, we can see that the combined effort of human beings, like we have, we can say that we have to uses the public transport more, we have to uses the CFL bulbs, then we have to use the electric vehicles, and many more. Now we see what are the government steps regarding this global warming. We know that the government of India in 2015 signed the Paris Agreement, in which we are promising to reduce the emission of carbon into the atmosphere. Other than that, the schemes like Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana has been launched, that is to provide the free LPG connections to the household women's. Then we see solar parks, solar cities are constructing, in which we are focusing on the solar energy. Other than that, we are constructing dam, that is we are focusing on wind energy. Then we are adopting many policies. Then we are making the nuclear reactors, that is to produce electricity through nuclear reactions. And then we are also promoting electrical vehicles, that is to reduce carbon emission to the atmosphere. So from these activities, we will see in the future there will be we are going to the non renewable energy. We are not depending on the non renewable energy, and many more. Thank you very much.